In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the keyboard layout in Figma. Many designers work with different keyboard layouts based on their language, region, or personal preference. Figma is a powerful tool, and being able to customize its behavior to match your physical keyboard can significantly improve your workflow, comfort, and accuracy. This ensures that your keyboard shortcuts and typing experience within Figma feel natural and intuitive, preventing frustrating errors or delays. Let's walk through the simple steps to adjust this setting. First, you'll want to locate and click the arrow button right next to the Figma logo. You'll find this prominent button in the upper left-hand corner of your Figma interface. This isn't just any button. It's your gateway to Figma's main menu, where you can access a wide range of application settings, files, and more. Think of it as the central hub for all global Figma options. So, keep an eye out for that small, distinctive arrow icon next to the familiar Figma F logo. Give it a click, and a comprehensive drop-down menu will appear before you. Once that main menu is open, your next step is to click on Preferences. You'll find Preferences listed among various options in the menu. This section is specifically designed for customizing your Figma experience to better suit your individual needs and working style. It's where you can fine-tune various aspects of the application, from interface display to performance settings. By selecting Preferences, you're telling Figma you want to delve into the core settings that dictate how the application behaves for you. After opening the Preferences submenu, you'll then click on Keyboard Layout. This particular option is crucial for our goal today. The ellipsis, those three dots after Keyboard Layout, signifies that clicking this option will open a new dialog box or a further submenu dedicated to keyboard settings. It's an indicator that there's more specific configuration to be done here. This is precisely where Figma allows you to inform the software which keyboard layout you are currently using, ensuring that all your shortcuts and key presses are interpreted correctly within the application environment. Finally, within the keyboard layout settings, you can now change to your preferred layout. This section typically presents a list of different keyboard layouts from which you can choose. Take a moment to browse through the options and select the one that accurately reflects your physical keyboard or your desired input method. Whether you're using a standard QWERTY, AZERTY, Dvorak, or a layout specific to a different language, you'll find the option here. Once you've made your selection, Figma will immediately or upon confirmation adapt its internal interpretation of keyboard inputs to match your chosen layout. This simple adjustment can make a world of difference in your daily design tasks, making your interaction with Figma much smoother and more efficient. And that's all there is to it. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily customize your keyboard layout in Figma, ensuring a more comfortable and productive design experience.